I wanted to talk to you all about credit. What is credit? Credit is a livelihood that you must depend on if you live in America. Now, yes, it's sad that people define you by your credit score, but hey, think about it like this. Wouldn't you want to know if the person that you're about to lend money to is reliable? I'm just saying. So that's basically how America utilizes the credit system. Depending on your worthiness, that determines if someone will loan money to you for an item, something with collateral, and oftentimes if your credit is good enough, you don't even need collateral. That's where personal loans and things like that come into play. So, with that being said, how do you get good credit? Well, credit is based on a few different factors: credit history, payment history, utilization, how much you're spending on those cards. So let's say you have a $1,000 limit and you're spending over $300 on the card and leaving a rolling balance. That means you're using over 30% of the card. And when you do that, that affects your credit score. Also, a mixture of payments. So that means installment loans. An installment loan would be something that you have a set amount of payments on, such as a car loan, which is like a 60-month installment, or a loan, maybe 36 months, something like that. Then you have revolving credit. Revolving is something that is like always forever going, which is a credit card. So every month you can utilize this credit card. You could carry a balance or you could pay it in full, which helps your credit mostly. Now, my job going forward with this YouTube channel, 24 Karat Credit, is to teach you about credit, teach you how to fix your credit, teach personal finances. I'm a firm believer that I really truly wish that schools taught people credit, real estate, taxes, and things like that when you're in school. Because the harsh reality is you get out of high school and you go into college and you accumulate debt, and sometimes that debt can be bad debt. So there's a difference between good debt and bad debt. And with this YouTube channel, I'm going to show some of that. So this is like my first video. I wanted to say hi, like, subscribe, comment, share, because I'll be here pretty much every day giving credit tips on how to fix your credit, straighten out your personal finances, and anything else. So if you have any questions, tap in, comment below. Let me know some things you'd like for me to share. I do this. I work on personal credit. I work on business credit. I help with all of those things, and I even help with fixing people's credit. And trust me, I've been there. I used to work at a bank back in 2011, and when I first started at that bank, I had horrible credit. I didn't know how vital it was, and that's what got me inspired on my journey of trying to teach other people credit. So tune in, like, subscribe, comment, share. Let me know some things that you guys want to hear about or learn about, and we can learn together. And I hope you guys like my music collection, because I'm a fan of music. I'm a journalist by trade, but I'm a credit guru. So once again, my name is Christian.